In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the SUVCON dashcam and the GKU dashcam D600. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The SUVCON dashcam offers a resolution of 1080p, which is suitable for most driving scenarios. However, the GKU dashcam D600 stands out with its capability to record in 4K resolution, providing sharper and more detailed footage. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the clarity of important details, like license plates and road signs. When it comes to storage, the SUVCON dashcam comes with a 32GB SD card, which is adequate for basic recording needs. On the other hand, the GKU dashcam D600 includes a larger 64GB SD card, allowing for more video storage and less frequent overwriting of footage. This is particularly beneficial for users who drive long distances or want to keep recordings for an extended period. The SUVCON dashcam includes essential features like HDR, G-sensor, and loop recording, making it a solid choice for basic needs. However, the GKU dashcam D600 offers advanced features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and night vision capabilities, which enhance user experience and functionality. These additional features can make a significant difference for tech-savvy users looking for more control over their recordings. In conclusion, both the SUVCON dashcam and the GKU dashcam D600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The SUVCON is a budget-friendly option with essential features, while the GKU offers superior resolution and advanced functionalities. Choose based on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.